Hisense U7H 4K QLED TVs, and Hisense Tornado 2.0 A7H 4K LED TV launched. Hisense has debuted its U7H TV and A7H Tornado 2.0 TV series. The exquisitely designed U7H is a future-ready TV that features a 4K 120Hz native panel with full-array local dimming, quantum dot color, HDMI 2.1, Dolby Vision IQ, and Dolby Atmos with eARC. The TV's AMD FreeSync Premium and Auto Low Latency Mode (ALLM) give gamers a better experience and quicker responsiveness. Additionally, screen tearing is avoided via the variable refresh rate (VRR) and more features. Hisense ranked second in TV sales volume in Q2 2022 with 12.1% market share, according to Omdia. Hisense now ranks as the second best TV. Hisense has debuted its U7H TV and A7H Tornado 2.0 TV series. The exquisitely designed U7H is a future-ready TV that features a 4K 120Hz native panel with full-array local dimming, quantum dot color. Hisense U7H series. The U7H TV's back incorporates full-array LED lighting, not just along the border. The function improves dimming, lowers blooming, and creates darker blacks and brighter whites in every scene. Quantum dot technology produces over a billion colors, giving scenes tremendous contrast and accurate colors. The TV's Game Mode Pro with AMD FreeSync Premium Auto Low Latency Mode (ALLM) and Variable Refresh Rate (VRR) deliver a superior and enhanced gaming experience with a faster response time and eliminate screen tearing. The TV has Alexa and Google Assistant built-in. Hisense Tornado 2.0 A7H. Tornado 2.0 has 102 W of power and a 6-speaker JBL audio system, creating a sound dome that immerses the user. Google TV. The TV comes with Google's newest operating system, which provides features including personalized content. Add all of your favorite content from your phone, anywhere and at any time. Chromecast and Apple AirPlay HomeKit support. Dolby Vision and Atmos. This function adjusts colors and contrasts to bring content to life. Dolby Atmos provides object-based audio with depth and clarity. Remote Finder. The Tornado 2.0 remote contains a traceable tracker to help find it if it's lost. Never lose your TV remote again. Auto Low Latency Mode (ALLM) and Variable Refresh Rate (VRR) enhance the gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.